Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we have this Libero padlock by Libela. Libela is a Serbian company, export-import company, which imports security systems from China. So this is Chinese padlock. We have stamped here top security lock. Whenever you see top security on some padlock, some security device, you know that is made in China. It's pretty well made, pretty good keyway, full brass core, ribbed of course, but it's a brass core, it's not made out of zinc. On the shackle says hardened, but I don't think it's hardened. On the other part of the shackle says MN, which means it's manganized or made from mangan or something like that, mangan coating. I think it's only a stamping, nothing more. It's classical soft steel shackle, and like in every case of Chinese padlock. So we're gonna see what it takes to pick this lock open. I'm going to use this wave rake, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? It's not happening much. We're gonna try to SPP the lock. As far as I know, there are only standard pins inside, so the keyway is a bit restricted, I can tell you, because you have to squeeze the pick inside and it rubs on the keyway rails, so it's not so easy to defeat it. But we're gonna see. Maybe I'm not even using the correct tension wrench. This one is much better. Everything is about tension wrench. The 50% of picking goes to the tension wrench, so if you don't choose the right one, you will be in huge problems because you won't be able to pick the lock successfully. For now, this one doesn't give any feedback. I don't know why, but that's the interesting part of the lock picking and lock sport, because you never know what is going on inside and what you're gonna get, because every padlock, we have it open. Every padlock is a bit different than the other, especially between brands and factories. Some locks are very easy to rake open, some locks are very easy to SPP open but not to rake open. Some locks are easy to zip open but not rake or SPP, so you're never gonna you don't know what you're gonna get and what's waiting inside of the lock. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.